Good morning. I'm Fred Johnston with Tire Engineers, and if you got a second, I'd like to take you through 70 years of history in our tire dealer industry. My father, till 1946, he worked for Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company. Well, shortly thereafter, and the war ended, he went into business and opened what we now call Tire Engineers. So at that point in time, for the next 16 years, my father and I were partners in Tire Engineers. This is a picture of my dad and I, and in the beginning, this is the way we started. That desk and those windows right there are still there today, because that's the Johnston boys' way of doing business. This is the original land that we had in the Birmingham News. Featured my father, who was there in 1948, and some of the prices. Your inner tubes were $2, $1.65 to $2. The recap was $6.95. You buy one of the best tires for $11.95 for a new tire for your car. Most people bought the tires and then had them retreaded, which everybody had to stretch the dollar back then. Back then, things were much simpler than they are today. Still, the thing is, from the beginning 70 years ago to today, one thing has not changed. And that's the desire that the people have of our industry to make certain that your automobile is safe, that it rides as good as it can, and we're there to help you protect the second largest investment that you make from a family standpoint. Now, Tire Engineers, it's an old established name. It's one that we wear with pride from a small beginning in Birmingham, Alabama on the south side, all the way to Arizona. You'll see the brand as you move about our stores and the pride that goes with it. 70 years is a benchmark, but it's not nearly as good as it's going to be. So hang on, the ride is just beginning.